think we got a problem. We're supposed to be doing a no heat or no cool. We go have the unit set to cool mode. AC and heater running at the same time. Another company was out here a week ago and changed the board. Let's see what they did. I guess they changed this board last week. Leave the freaking trash here. Come on, people, pick up after yourself. Common W. Common 2Y. Why in the hell did we got both energized? Let's check thermostat. Alrighty, we're good to go. It's on cool mode. Heater's not running. Last company misdiagnosed the problem. They thought it was the board. It wasn't the board. They changed the thermostat. It wasn't the thermostat. Bad wiring. See my G wire? The W. The white wire was no good. It like comes up with Y, I guess. Somewhere in between here and thermostat. Continuity check on wires and on the white wire, no good. Brown wire, no good. Move the green from G to the W, and it's up and running. Alright, this job's complete. It's just misdiagnosed the problem. Last company thought it was a circuit board, so they changed it. Heating and cooling was still running at the same time, so he changed the thermostat. Left thinking it was fixed. Homeowner called me after troubleshooting everything. Found bad wires, low voltage thermostat wiring. Swapped out, switched out some other ones, and it's good to go. Double check everything before you leave. Heating and cooling mode, so you don't get called back. Or they call me to fix the problem because you couldn't.